Hi there, Sarah Beth here, and welcome to the quick yoga practice to help you recover from burnout, restore your energy, and find balance through relaxing poses. We're going to begin in a seated position just like this. So when you're ready, make yourself comfortable. And really, you can take any seated position that works for you so that you can relax and sit up tall. Taking a moment to close your eyes and check in with yourself. Check in with how you feel. Noticing the sensation, the symptoms, the feelings of burnout, how they feel in your body. And begin to deepen your breath. Each exhale, a reminder that you can slow down here and now. Breathe in and out through your nose to help you keep your body calm and remind your body that you're in a safe space, that you can stay relaxed, and there's nothing more to do right here, right now. So with this calm breath, simply lower your left ear to your left shoulder, observing the stretch on the right side of your neck. If you want to take it a little bit deeper, you can extend your right fingertips out to touch the ground beside you. And be mindful that that go, go, go mindset isn't making you go as deep as possible into poses like this. Instead, remind yourself that less is more. So instead of forcing it, just relax into it. And draw your chin back to center. Switch sides. Right ear to your right shoulder. Extend your arm if you did so on the other side. No forcing, no straining, just relaxing with each deep breath. And draw your chin back to center and take a twist to your right, placing your left hand to your right knee, your right hand behind you. Again, being mindful not to force yourself into a deeper twist. Just allow yourself to land wherever you do. Knowing that even just by showing up, you're doing enough. So you're already within a twist without having to force yourself into the deepest version of that twist. So breathe. And how does it feel to just be? And come back to center and you'll switch sides. Taking your right hand to your left knee, left hand plants behind you. Reminding yourself that even showing up can be enough. And doing so is a practice of self-compassion, patience, and understanding. So come back to center. And turn onto your mat so you can place your feet flat out in front of you with your knees bent. From here, plant your hands behind you and go into a figure four. So a little bit of a hip opener. Place your right ankle to your left knee. Press your knee open away from your body. And if this feels good, just stay here. Again, just showing up is enough. Just sitting in this pose without going into the deepest stretch is going to help you open up, get your blood flowing, and feel really good. If you do want to take a little bit deeper, you can drag your left heel in towards your body and lift up through your heart. In poses like this, it's a great reminder to release unnecessary tension, whether it's physical in your body, maybe it's in your jaw, let it go. And just practice presence. Simply be in this moment. Let's switch sides. Lowering your right foot down. Take your left ankle to your right knee. Just hang out. And if you did take it deeper on the other side, make sure you do this on this side by dragging your right heel in, lift up through your heart. Staying relaxed everywhere else in your body, eyelids, eyebrows, jaw, breath, shoulders. And see if you can deepen your breath. And lower your left foot down. And come to lie down on your back, curling your pelvis under as you roll down onto your back, setting up a bridge pose. Take your feet flat on your mat, knees pressing up to the ceiling. When you're ready, curl your pelvis up towards the ceiling, lifting your hips up as your knees press forward, promoting a sense of vitality to your practice, bringing some energy to your body as you press down into the palms of your hands and the soles of your feet. Find your calm, smooth breath even here. For 3, 2, 1. Slowly lower down. Bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall open. Feel your inner thighs soften and relax. Reach your arms overhead to touch your fingers together and let your elbows fall open. Feeling your shoulders and your upper back relax. Your body resembles something that looks like a figure 8. Connected at your hands, connected at your feet. And as you breathe in and out through your nose, visualize a figure 8 and your breath moving along that figure 8, inhaling around one side, exhaling around the other. Slow and control in your figure 8 breath. Slowly drag your arms down. Assist your knees back towards each other. Roll over onto one side into a fetal position and use your hands to press yourself up to seated. Taking a moment with your hands together at heart center and finding gratitude that you slowed down. And notice how you feel. From this place of balance and equanimity in me, to this place of balance and equanimity in you. Namaste. If that felt like exactly what you needed, and you want even more of these slow, restorative style yoga practices to help you recover from burnout, then check out my 25-minute hips slow stretch routine, a deeply restorative and relaxing deep hip stretching yoga practice available for free. Just click the first link in the description down below and I can send that over your way. Have a great day. You're worth it. Namaste.